Welcome to NeoTech-Lens, your ultimate destination for the latest updates on cutting-edge technology, AI innovations, futuristic gadgets, and everything shaping the tech-driven world. Stay ahead of the curve with insightful content, breaking tech news, and in-depth discussions on how technology impacts our daily lives. Join us to explore the future, one lens at a time.
Greetings, fellow travelers of the cosmos. Today, we embark on a thrilling expedition into the ever-evolving realm of artificial intelligence. Our focus is a revolutionary AI model known as TopoLM. This remarkable creation has the potential to redefine our understanding of intelligence itself. Imagine a machine that thinks like us. A machine that processes language not through brute computational force, but through an architecture that mirrors the intricacies of the human brain. This is the promise of TopoLM. TopoLM represents a paradigm shift in AI, moving away from purely statistical models to those inspired by the very organ that grants us our cognitive abilities. It's a testament to the power of human ingenuity and our relentless pursuit of unraveling the mysteries of intelligence. Our journey begins in the heart of Switzerland, at the renowned École Polytechnique Fédérale de Lausanne, or EPFL. Within the walls of EPFL's NeuroAI lab, a team of brilliant minds embarked on a mission to bridge the gap between neuroscience and artificial intelligence. Their creation, TopoLM, stands as a testament to their groundbreaking work. The NeuroAI lab is a hub of cutting-edge research, where scientists and engineers from diverse disciplines converge to explore the frontiers of intelligence. Their collaborative spirit and unwavering dedication have paved the way for TopoLM's emergence. Led by a team of esteemed professors and researchers, the NeuroAI lab at EPFL provides a fertile ground for innovation. It's here that the seeds of TopoLM were sown, nurtured by a deep understanding of both the human brain and the principles of artificial intelligence. At the heart of TopoLM lies a revolutionary architecture inspired by the organization of the human brain. Unlike traditional language models that process information sequentially, TopoLM leverages the power of spatial representation. Imagine a vast network of interconnected neurons, each specializing in processing specific aspects of language. This intricate web of neurons is organized into clusters, much like the specialized regions of our brain. These clusters communicate with each other, sharing information and collaborating to decipher the complexities of human language. TopoLM's architecture represents a departure from the linear processing of traditional models. Instead, it embraces the elegance of spatial representation, allowing for a more holistic and nuanced understanding of language. Section 4. Clusters and Cognition, Mimicking the Human Brain. TopoLM's neural clusters are not merely a computational quirk. They are the key to its remarkable ability to mimic human cognition. Each cluster specializes in processing a particular linguistic feature, such as grammar, semantics, or context. Think of it like a team of expert linguists, each with their own area of expertise, working in concert to understand a complex text. One cluster might focus on parsing sentence structure, while another deciphers the meaning of individual words. Yet another cluster might specialize in understanding the emotional tone. This division of labor allows TopoLM to process language with a level of sophistication that was previously unattainable in AI systems. It's like having a miniature brain working tirelessly to comprehend the nuances of human communication. Section 5. Spatial Smoothness, the key to TopoLM's success. One of the most intriguing aspects of TopoLM is its adherence to a principle known as spatial smoothness. This principle dictates that neurons located closer together in the network tend to exhibit similar activation patterns. In simpler terms, neurons that are neighbors tend to fire together. This spatial organization is not arbitrary. It reflects the way our own brains process information. Neurons that are physically closer together are more likely to be involved in processing related information. By adhering to this principle, TopoLM is able to achieve a level of cognitive realism that sets it apart from traditional AI models. The concept of spatial smoothness might seem like a subtle detail, but it has profound implications for TopoLM's performance. This elegant principle allows the model to capture the intricate relationships between words and concepts, leading to a more human-like understanding of language.
Love exploring the world of technology and AI? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to NeoTech-Lens for more insightful and exciting content. Hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest tech and AI innovations. Your support fuels our journey into the future of technology.